When you look at the stars, you are seeing the distant past. Because light takes so long to travel across the vacuum of space, the star you are looking at right now might have actually died millions of years ago. Relying on a daily paper clipboard is the industrial equivalent of looking at that dead starlight. This is data latency. If a machine breaks at 9 a.m., but the manager doesn't read the report until the following morning, that 24-hour delay has already cost the company an entire day of production. Historical records offer no way to recover production time that has already been lost. Consider Siam Metal Stamp. One of their primary presses, machine number 3, was running at only 60% efficiency. The CEO knew the output was low, but the cause remained a mystery. The evidence was buried in paperwork. The operator's manual log simply cited minor glitches and vague verbal reports that offered no technical insight. This happens because of pencil whipping. Instead of logging facts as they occur, workers often leave the forms blank all day and rush to fill them out from memory just 5 minutes before their shift ends. Human error makes the problem worse. Bad handwriting and typos in Excel turn those guessed memories into reports that don't match what actually happened on the floor. The CEO is attempting to solve a revenue problem without seeing the actual cause. Paper data produces a distorted version of reality. To fix this, you have to change the hierarchy of the factory floor. Machines should do the counting so that humans can focus on solving the problems. You don't need to replace 20-year-old equipment with a $10 million upgrade. You can apply affordable Internet of Things sensors to your existing machines. A sensor counts every physical strike, tracking output second by second. An electrical relay monitors power. If the machine stops over 3 minutes, a lockout triggers. The operator must input the cause on a tablet before counting resumes. By removing the human from the data entry process, the machine becomes a generator of objective, real-time facts. After just 3 days of streaming data from the cloud, the mystery of machine number 3 disappeared. The report showed a specific pattern. The machine wasn't suffering from long breakdowns. It was experiencing 40 separate microstops of 2 to 3 minutes each. The timing was so precise that engineers could identify the root cause immediately. Metal scraps were frequently flying into a safety sensor, tripping the machine. Real-time data redefines the problem management is trying to solve by revealing the exact mechanics of the failure. With the truth finally visible, engineers built a simple physical shield in just 1 hour to block the scraps from hitting the sensor. The results were immediate. Machine efficiency rose to 85%, increasing profit without adding a single new hire to the shift. Look at your own organization. If your workers are spending time acting as clerks or reviewing yesterday's output at today's meeting, you are losing money to the past. You cannot improve the present moment if you are exclusively analyzing yesterday. Former Netscape CEO Jim Barksdale famously said, "If we have data, let's look at data. If we only have opinions, let's go with mine." Real-time dashboards remove the need for guessing or shifting blame. When the data is live, the debate ends. This shared truth forces the entire team to stop defending their own performance and start focusing on fixing the process. Real-time data enables human problem-solving by providing an undeniable shared reality for everyone in the factory. Now that we can see the data, we need a way for the factory to scream for help when something goes wrong. Next time, we will explore digital and-ons.